Forestry crews used to spend weeks on the ground covering terrain that a drone can map in a single morning. Here's what that actually looks like. Traditional timber cruising means cruise on foot across terrain that can be steep, dense, or dangerous. Drone-mounted LiDAR captures canopy height, stem density, and volume estimates across hundreds of acres in a fraction of the time. Multispectral imaging lets forestry teams identify stress, disease, and pest damage in the canopy early enough to act. Compared to satellite imagery, drone data is more up-to-date and much higher resolution. Drones give fire management teams an updated picture of fuel accumulation, stand density, and interface risk, faster than any ground crew can cover the same area. Reforestation teams are increasingly using repeat drone surveys to track seedling survival, planting gaps, and for regulatory reporting, all without sending crews back into the field. High-resolution elevation models generated from drone surveys give harvest planners and engineers the terrain data they need to route roads, manage drainage, and reduce erosion risk. Environmental consultants and forestry teams are using drone-collected orthomosaics elevation data and multispectral imagery to support EIA submissions. 6 use cases, 1 platform. If your team is still relying on helicopter contracts, satellite imagery, or manual cruising, there's a faster, safer, and more accurate way to work. CanDrone works with forestry organizations across Canada to build drone programs that fit your operations. Contact CanDrone today.